Hey everyone, XRP Army, welcome back into the video. Let's talk about some XRP, and we're going to get into some deja vu as we look back into the year 2017 and where we are at right here, right now. That's what I'm going to break down in this video. Also, I want to share with you guys kind of what XRP is doing on the day, and quite frankly, we need to go back to 2017 because it's been one of those days, one of those months in this stretch that we are in with crypto right now. Quite frankly, it's been kind of underwhelming, right? I think as a trader, and speaking for myself personally, this has been very frustrating where we can't string together positive days. We have so much more of the broader market weighing down on the entire crypto market that unfortunately it's just really hard right now. Okay. And there's nothing really better I can say, more to elaborate on. However, I do want to share with you guys what went on back in 2017 and why we're kind of getting some deja vu right here in present day. So before we do, I'm going to break it all down for you guys in this video. If you're new to the channel, make sure you guys all subscribe right down below. Smash that like button, and let's get down into it. All right, I want to share with you guys kind of what's going on within the crypto bubbles. You can see the market within the top 100 market caps. Pretty much a red day. Okay, so just another one. I hate making YouTube videos and talking about crypto when we are seeing red days. However, it is part of the business, and we have to understand that as traders that it's not all going to be sunshine here. And you know, this is something where XRP right now, as we currently look into it, I'll show you guys kind of where we're at. 7th in market cap, 56 cents, and we are up 0.3%, so kind of defying the rest of the market. But still, if we look overall at the month, only up 1.4%. It's been relatively flat. We did see a monthly high at around 64 cents and a low of 44, so I'll take it. 56 cents, we're kind of right smack dab in the middle, and it's important to understand, though, on the year, we are still up a little bit over 11%. We can look into the chart, and I'll show you guys kind of what's going on. We are trading below the the moving averages. If we look into the SMAs and we look into the 20 and the 50, we are currently above only the 20. We have dropped below the 50, and we are still eyeing in on that 100 and 150 SMA, okay? But still flashing momentum down on the trading indicator, so nothing really too crazy to report on that front. If we zoom out a little bit, you can kind of see how rocky of a road it's been. The volatility is very present. And if we zoom out even further, you can see kind of how we're above this blue line. Now, what's important about this blue line is if you are a trader, if you've been holding XRP for quite some time, you can kind of see, and I have to turn off my trading indicator so you can get a better view of this. Okay, this is dating back pretty much, if we zoom out even further, all right, this is dating back along the lines of back here where I was able to show you guys in earlier videos. This is kind of back in 2022 where we have hit a bottom of 24 cents. We've been on a slow and steady incline ever since that, and that's what that blue line represents. So we are dipping below that, but right now as we currently are trading, we are above it, and that's kind of why I drew these teal circles, because anytime we bounce below that blue line that I have ascending here on this screen, we have bounced off very nicely. So whether or not you consider it the floor, I consider it more of a long-term trend, and that's kind of where XRP continues. Despite showing a lot of weakness in the rest of the market, right, where we are having these red days, XRP still continues to ascend. It's just not, you know, a 15% gain, 20% gain that we're expecting, that you want to see this volatility. XRP doesn't behave like that. So that's kind of my thoughts on in terms of the TA, a little bit of the chart. Please remember, though, guys, not financial advice, but I want to get back into the article that we came here to talk about. This is where XRP is targeting a massive 3,000% gain, facing deja vu, very similar to what we saw back in 2017. And before we get down into it, I do want to share with you guys kind of today's channel sponsor. This is the likes of Margex, all right? If you guys do any leverage trading, any futures leverage trading, make sure you click my link down below. They are currently running a $500,000 Caspa airdrop, all right? So if you register using my link, you do save on some trading fees. You can register and claim up to $10,000 in bonuses. There's a couple things to consider. Leverage trading is very volatile. Make sure you do your own research and due diligence. Make sure Margex is the right platform for you. There's no KYC, so make sure it's right and for where you are situated. And by all means, if you want to get started trading on leverage, sign up today with Margex using my link right down below. All right, but back into the deja vu. This is where we have seen basically at the current price levels for XRP, we've consolidated in a very tight range. And the next trajectory that we've seen is very similar to 2017 when XRP went on a massive bull run, very similar to current chart patterns, okay? This is where we've seen that the price of XRP has been trading in between a range of 39 cents and upwards of 66 cents. But over a longer term period, kind of what I showed you guys on the chart, it has consolidated for an extended period of time. Now, another analyst, Dark Defender, okay, suggesting that the 66.49 level is above the weekly Ichimoku cloud, then that is very crucial to watch. Now, I'm not going to pretend to be some TA wizard. I don't use TA as my end-all be-all. I kind of use my intuition. I use kind of recency news and kind of the trends that we're seeing with the broader market to formulate my opinions in what I'm going to do within my trading. And quite frankly, guys, when it comes down to me making a crypto trade, I kind of divert to my trading indicator. I think that gives me the best possible shot to make some money off of that trade, and that's why I use my trading indicator. And if you guys want to know more about that, links down below for XT Algo. Okay, but that's kind of what we've seen. Now we've been above that weekly Ichimoku level, and that is very crucial to watch because it can open up the door to potential higher targets. Also signifying the importance of the weekly RSI. We've seen that's aligned to, show some price declines, all right? And that's kind of where we've seen this golden cross form within the RSI indicator. And when that happens that's historically a bullish signal for more upward movement, okay? So combining these two TA indicators, this is something where we can anticipate a possible breakout if XRP can sustain its price above 66.49. Now, that's kind of what this visual shows, where we were at this circle, okay? And then we see this RSI dip, boom, and then this blue line shortly after. That's kind of where he's at within his thesis, basically, that XRP would be set to break out to higher potential targets. Now, according to this is where 2017 comes into play, because according to these levels that we saw back in 2017, we are just weeks in front of the XRP bull run. And if this is in place, $18.22 is expected to be the upper target of wave 3. Now, that would account for basically a 361+% gain. I'm not that bullish on XRP. I'm going to be fully honest with you guys. That's just my conclusion. That's my analysis. It's my opinion. You guys are welcome to do whatever you want, but I'm just not that far removed from kind of the rest of the market. Okay, I still believe there's a lot of uncertainty, a lot of fear in place, and I don't think XRP is going to go off on a tangent and perform to a 360% plus increase. Okay. So that's kind of where we're at. That would put XRP above a $1 trillion market cap, making it the second most valuable cryptocurrency behind BTC. Now, I'm not going to disagree with that in terms of valuation, right? From a valuation standpoint, with XRP and what they're bringing to the table with cross-border payments, I truly think that they are in their own class. Now, that would be something where I could see them one day vaulting to a valuation above Ethereum, but within today's current market situation, I don't see that possibly kind of indicating this bullish run where we could see 360% increase just weeks away. So kind of where I'm at. I do think XRP is going to target new highs. I agree with this as well. We're going to see a lot of short-term bullishness. I think that XRP can get upwards of 66 cents, but I think as a holder, I think we need to have our sights more so realistic and less far-fetched. We need to be targeting in on $1. If XRP can hit $1, then we can start forming our conclusions and then really start getting bullish. But I think right now, as we currently stand, $1 should be our price target, not $18. So that's kind of where I'm at. You guys are welcome to do and think whatever you want. If you want to agree with Dark Defender, by all means, go for it. That's just one man's take. Kind of differs from mine, but at the time of recording, we are seeing XRP at around that 56 cents level. And that's something where over the last 7 days, it's important to understand that XRP has dropped more than 4%. And that's not so much what they're doing. Ripple just unlocked a ton of tokens, and we all know how that is all scheduled and all planned. So I'm not going to overreact to any of that. That's what's going on. But that's historically shown a lot of decrease historically after we do get those escrow unlocks. So in the short term, yes, XRP is showing a lot of bullish tendencies on the charts. That's backed up with some TA, but more so for me, guys, it's the broader market that's holding us back, right? We got some tailwinds coming out of what's happened within the courthouse. We closed that book, just basically shut. There's always the potential that that book could open and that we can get some more kind of bearish sentiment surrounding that. But for right now, as we stand, I'm bullish on XRP. I think $1 should be our price target. I'm not in line with $18. Let me know down below what you think about this in the comments box. Do you guys align yourself more with Dark Defender? Do you think XRP would be sitting right behind Bitcoin in a current valuation of $18 and change at a $1 trillion market cap, or do you think that's just completely far-fetched and ludicrous as we get further into 2024? Curious to hear what you guys have to say. I like to keep it 100. For my 2 cents, I think that XRP, we need to be focused on $1 and then $1.50, but that's kind of where I'm in that range of where I see XRP ending up if we do break out from this little bit of a slump in this consolidation that we're in right here in present day. So appreciate you guys. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please consider subscribing down below, and we'll see you guys all in the next video. Cheers.